how to create an account in Teespring. Right here, I'm on the main menu for Teespring. The way we sign up is by pressing this, start creating. Now you can add your brand name or your own name. For example, John Doe. My email can be this one, it's my own email. And then you can create your password. Click the captcha. You can also continue with one of these profiles. You can continue with a Facebook profile, Google profile, or YouTube profile if you have any of those. But in this example, we'll create an account from scratch. Then press sign up. And then you can enter your desired store URL. Here you can put in anything really, but if you want, in my example, it'll be example shirt. And pay attention to this warning. It's permanent. So once you enter it, you can't change it anytime. So continue. And just like that, we've created our own Teespring account. You can put in any shirt you want here. Let's make a mug. Change the color, etc., etc. Making a Teespring account is just as easy as that.